friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will make water fountain. We need some water, straw, scissor, balloon. Let's start it. Make 2 holes using scissor. It look like this. Of bottle.
When you release the air from the balloon, it creates pressure in the bottle and thus pushes the water out, creating a beautiful water fountain.
Start the second experiment. We use baking soda and vinegar and the balloon. Let's start. Bottle and vinegar. Add baking soda and the balloon. I have added baking soda inside the balloon. Fill the balloon to the mouth of the bottle.
3, 2, 1.
More videos, like, share,